In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is Character AI and how to use it. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Character AI, then click the official Character.AI website from the results. This takes you to the platform where everything happens. So, what is Character AI? Character AI, sometimes styled as Character AI or c.ai, is a generative AI platform that lets you chat with and even create AI-driven characters. These characters can mimic the style of fictional figures, historical personalities, or completely original personas you design. Under the hood, it's powered by large language models built to simulate natural, context-aware conversations, and it was launched publicly in 2022 by a team that includes former researchers behind cutting-edge conversational models. Think of it as a space for creative dialogue, storytelling, role-play, brainstorming, and learning. Just remember, as with any AI, responses can sound confident, but may not always be factual. So use your judgment and avoid sharing personal or sensitive information. To get started using it, begin on the homepage. One of the easiest ways to dive in is to explore existing characters. Browse the character library to see popular, trending, or themed personas. When you find one that interests you, click it to open a chat. You'll usually see a short description of the character, which gives you a sense of their voice and expertise. A quick tip: open with a clear prompt, like, "Help me brainstorm a sci-fi plot in a friendly tone," to set direction from the start. Interacting is simple. Type your message in the chat box, or use voice if that feature is available on your device. The AI will respond based on the character's profile and personality. Keep your messages specific and follow up with clarifying questions to refine the output. If the conversation drifts, you can steer it back by restating your goal or starting a fresh chat. If you want to build your own character, click the Create option. Give your character a name, write a concise description, define traits, and set a response style that matches the behavior you want. Add a friendly greeting and a few example dialogues to guide tone and content. Save your character, test it in a chat, and iterate until it behaves the way you expect. When you're happy, you can keep it private or publish it for others to use. Character AI follows a freemium model. The free tier lets you access many characters and core features. A paid subscription typically offers priority access, faster responses, and some enhanced capabilities. To sum up, Character AI is a flexible, AI-driven space to chat with virtual personas or design your own. Explore, interact, create, and enjoy the creativity that unfolds.